Milo TV, bada boom, bada bam, bada zoom. Milo TV, bada bim, bada bam, bada bam. Bada zoom, zoom, zoom.
Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, click that notification bell, and guys, Milo TV is where it's at, so don't forget. Milo TV, bada boom. Wait, hold on, go again.
Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.
Milo TV, bada bim, bada bim, bada bam.
Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. It's here too.
Okay.
Milo TV, bada bing, bada boom, bada bim. That's it.
Bada boom, bada boom, bada bam. Milo TV, Milo TV, bada boom, bada boom.
Milo TV GH Toronto, Canada. Bada bin, bada boom, bada bam. Ear.
My fresh will be catching so with it. And no, I'm in it. My banner boy and a cassa say, Dada. He said, my mom be 28. I'm saying, anyway, I was here for a church will be about Milo TV because of video. So, and any day the card, yes, we are subscribe to Milo TV. We are liking or commenting. Now, watch me, the Prince Koditeria MC Milo, me YouTuber Toronto, and I'm a Ghana ni Atebubu, a whole enemy free. Swami Kumasi and a titi me. And then come to be na with the Madama Monye Bre na in Chichimu. Oduman kuma boadeno. Obo senka beman wo ba. Yenshia na akoye positive negative. Yeshia nanka Bajoti de make yase. Di nyame eye ye ne se. Ye mewo na yasi enore se empoano anwea e wa asasi so. Nanso se suya training niema binti ama sebi so mema ani mema neda. Hey. Now koti bine, my goodness. Well, Monkafra, you guys who are into that, no Monkafra. Minim sa menka se suya treo se akono boni o se de obede ebimu ewo this notion, or people have this idea in mind. They say sebi ema eha mema obi o ba bi wo ha ni kuna ma ni kuno wankoto ne yagara force mu wankoto koligono nso no mu na wankohye kase maka mo na wanse ne ho a na wasesa na dua na waye na dua se bia obese okote bia foforo bi mu na waye ode ho akohye bibia etise yi mu se sebi because of the sea ewo one ne yere ntemu nti onware bion nti oye oba obekọ na onu nso akopẹ oba na one nada edin sa na obi eche na dwen ebi nso se aya na one be matena problem bia ni ho but sebi be ma o tumu ana oyonko be ma nso tumu na mbe de na mawo yemfe no ntonche case close eno ne chi ene bi mu nso se ye de ye mema but ye bese ye san ye ho emma ene ye friend transgender ana me brofo no matin o se me me sheda nte brofo sa o matin afashe correct way cho o me so mo ye transgender. Now I have a brother in the United States, Oyejuma Ewo Hospital, Worcester, Massachusetts. Big ups to you, Sekapu One. Shout out to you, Akuwa. Big ups to you, Samet Upon Abudu. Say it here. Or say, or your doctor, or USA, my brother. And was say, Pajeti about problems be and face our hospital, our US. Nam see a ding. And was say, a memana or moon abey almost or moye man. A yensem pea almost some homos. A case will be son homo, and I just said, a memane woman, or pursue ye some memman, ye be any free monoko fat and ma. And no baby also pursue yen who's a bema. Hey, I dear yame, I do, I die yesu be by a betty bobo. It is an adinako you, but you would tell me about. Or say, enu na omonom no emmo wo mo akoye nsem pii enti de ni de nyina de aye ne se nipa ne bana omene dru a na onuma na you know na se ne body no imagine se osisa afri tibia bi mo akotibia na enti de bia enu sem ne niema okay. Donald Trump officially make us a US or to aba ayeden amano and was say see obetena banyu anaso no gay lesbian sa LGBTQ no tin ton time boom sika no way kam de sika na boom oso we twam obeko school na etoda toilet ene bathroom na omaye na ase bema waye no so oba otimi ko ema de so you know sa ne man o se sa ne man ni na wotwam pa cho tiemi pa ye be ka akofa video no ho ye be bo video na hye ho amobi a den ahwebi nti I'm just trying to let you know say quite recently and some Donald Trump no on se time o be ba no na yem tuntum do na yem penasem ba ne policies bi as say wodi egu akwan mu no to me I'm in Canada, but I'm in love with this man. The war be kasa and a policy be out the ba any guy. Sorry, policies be a system no more any guy no. So you training in to tuning in say. But then there is this question I'm asking. Say, so who are US esikafo pa and so are into that. And here is you. And a Trump such a person or no, this is what he does, his things. Obeka Nedi ne say okaso obey mass deportation and of course obey or maintenance officially next month January next week how baby and obe swear in but we start mass deportation and obi beka say Donald Trump nya hwade o akwana odija akoshi oba ewo New York subway no oye illegal immigrant nti se ko ba se omo anya na nchi na nka how to track and trace him no na nka be yedin nti ne nsem bi ho o ka o si tini Milo TV Toronto Canada they say the tin tone time transgender gay lesbian why sa ne manema ni nyina papa no che se otwam afei se uye military officer mse we a benefit in yanam Ghana fo a mse abudumu nyina ye military e wo US uye if say we military we sojani na ye chew say we ofole I mean within sa group na ye you free hono be you free nya say yekum but on be you free o soja adwuma na chese I mean chese papa na e be sesa nema ana say wasesa anema e wo US pa Milo TV Toronto Canada say tumu nom ne na se fo de ni nyina papa no chese kwatwam eti obi beka se kwaje wotoatoa dodo upekasa wo ye mrantoa ne ade yenko na yenko hwe video no Donald Trump ono na esie enye kwaje tewia aneka Milo TV baribim baribum baribem me fa kwanye so na ma wo shi obia Merry Christmas yete nyamiase ohwe yeso boy hobai wama afi akọ ama afi foforo asen abetu ena ase enka no entontom nka no ayi nka abuzafo video bi si ya nti sa wo pe detail about this video obetimi akọ Mr. Google na wanya more but then what I will tell you sisi and say video ya ebe and testify and sema Donald Trump waka nti yenko he video no Milo TV Toronto Canada obese onemetwetwe nkoma reach out to me 4169091100 midini kujitewia edamase yanko he video.
Serious country should be telling its children that they were born with the wrong gender, a concept that was never heard of in all of human history. Nobody's ever heard of this, what's happening today. I will ask Congress to pass a bill establishing that the only genders recognized by the United States government are male and female, and they are assigned at birth. No serious...
Donald Trump made a huge announcement today saying that he will not be recognizing LGBTQ in his upcoming policy, meaning he will only be recognizing male and female. This goes pretty deep. And this is the official policy. He said he will be establishing this on day one, that in schools, you will no longer be able to teach about transgender. This also includes the military, and they will not be allowing the military to have transgender people part of the military. This also includes sports, so men that have transitioned will not be able to compete in women's sports moving forward. And he said that any schools that are promoting transgender, he will cut all funding. And he referred to these teachings as lunacy. He made no mention of colleges because most people that attend college are adults now and they're over the age of 18. This affects a lot of different people, and there's going to be two different sides to this. This is something that he plans to implement on day one, among other things that he had mentioned, but he seems to be very serious about this one in particular. I can imagine that we're going to see a lot of people going against these policies, and we're definitely going to hear about it. But what do you guys think about all of this?
Donald Trump just announced that he will no longer recognize transgender in the policy of the United States government, and that they will only recognize male and female.
Under the Trump administration, it will be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
Now, this is on top of a ton of other announcements that Donald Trump made today, but the transgender topic is what stood out to a ton of people. He has said that on day one, he would cut federal funding to any school promoting transgender insanity. He also said that he will ban transgenders in all branches of the military, as well as not allow transgenderism to be taught in elementary schools, middle schools, or high schools. And the last thing that he brought up during this speech was that he was going to ban any men from participating in women's sports. Obviously, this is affecting a ton of people, and he's saying that he is going to sign all of this into law day one. Let me know what you guys think about it.
With a stroke of my pen on day one, we're going to stop the transgender lunacy. And I will sign executive orders to end child sexual mutilation, get transgender out of the military and out of our elementary schools and middle schools and high school. And we will keep men out of women's sports. Under the Trump administration, it will be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.